nice day sitting here, now fighting. So annoying when I need to fight against people. I hate fighting. A little break from fighting. Just gonna relax. Why just a little break? Now there's a little big chicken. Are you kidding me? Like all the times I wanted to have alone time, I just get a chicken. Are you serious? Like, I don't want some alone time, but is this really what I deserve? A chicken? I guess I better stop fighting. Now I'm just saying, man, I don't want to speak to you, but this chicken is really annoying, man, because I really hate it. Like, no pickers! I literally don't know what I'm saying. But you little chicken, I would expect more than this little annoying thing. Like, what do I deserve? Like, I don't want to have a stupid chicken like this chicken is. I know this chicken is big, but I don't expect this. A chicken? Are you serious? A chicken? Just a chicken. Like, all this fighting I've deserved. I've done like 7 battles. And I get a chicken. Like a chicken. Like, seriously? I get a chicken. Looks like I need to go to the doctor next week.